Welcome to Superlock, your trusted partner in precision fluid system solutions. Today, we'll guide you through everything you need to know to bend tubing accurately, efficiently, and safely using rigid tools and components. Whether you're fabricating instrumentation lines, process skids, or custom assemblies, mastering proper tube bending will save you time, reduce waste, and ensure leak-free performance. Why proper tube bending matters? In high-pressure and critical service applications, even a slight kink or misaligned fitting can compromise system integrity. A smooth, consistent bend preserves the tube's inside diameter, maintains flow characteristics, and prevents stress points that lead to premature failure. Cutting and finishing. Before bending, cut to final length with a fine-tooth hacksaw or tube cutter designed for your material. Avoid scoring the outside near the ferrule bite zone. Imperfections here can lead to leaks. Deburr the inside with a small file or rotary tool to remove any chips that could obstruct flow. Rigid tubers and tube benders are engineered to protect your materials. Stainless steel, so you get a perfect bend every time. Meet your tube bender. Let's familiarize ourselves with the components of the BMT tube bending kit. Ergonomic handles. Built for leverage, these handles give you control without fatigue. Adjustable tube latch. Locks the tubing securely, preventing slippage and ensuring alignment. Precision. Sized to your tube diameter, it supports the inside of the tube to prevent flattening or wrinkling. Roller dies. Designed to roll smoothly along the outside of the tube, protecting its finish and maintaining roundness. Angle indicators, clearly marked from 0 degrees to 180 degrees, with reference points for R, reverse bends when you need the tail end latched. Setting up your bend. First, make a mark at 4 inches and 12 inches. Use a ferrule or wrap of tape to make a mark that you can see from any angle. Next, 1. Insert the tube. Place your tube into the bender, seating it fully against the mandrel. 2. Align the mark. Line your bend mark up with the 0 position on the angle indicator. L for standard bends. R for reverse. 3. Lock the tube latch. Engage the latch so the tube can't slip, but don't over-tighten. You still need minor adjustments. Making the bend. With everything in place, apply smooth, steady pressure on the handles. Bend slowly through the first 60 degrees to make sure the tubing is tracking correctly. If you need to pause, perhaps to check alignment, stop just short of your target angle. Adjust if necessary, then continue to your final angle. Remember, underbending can be corrected. Overbending cannot. Verifying and adjusting. Once you reach your desired angle, release the latch and remove the tube. Measure the angle with a protractor or angle gauge to confirm accuracy. If you're off by more than a degree or two, simply reinsert and tweak. Rigid tools let you fine-tune without damaging the tubing. Tips for complex runs. For multi-bend assemblies, measuring from center of the tube. Or measure from the last center to center mark before moving to your next bend. Always keep the tube in the same orientation to avoid cumulative angular errors. And for long runs, support your tubing on a stable workbench and use a vice block attachment if extra leverage is needed. Safety and best practices. Wear safety glasses. Protect yourself from metal shavings. Why? Choose Superlock. At Superlock, we specialize in manufacturing high-quality instrumentation valves and fittings. We are renowned for our precision engineering and reliability, ensuring secure, leak-free connections with superior performance and stringent quality control standards. Our fittings, valves, and manifolds integrate seamlessly with your tubing and bending tools, giving you a complete solution from stock or custom configuration. Thanks for joining us on this tubing bending tutorial. For more in-depth guidance, detailed part numbers, or training opportunities, visit www.bmtsuperlok.com or contact your BMT representative. With the right technique and the right tools, precise tube bending is simple, repeatable, and reliable, just the way Superlock delivers it.